gorilla tag, but ghost in the graveyard with these ugly monkeys.
You wanna know who is some ugly?
I'm it for this round until I tag them all.
Come here. I know you can do it.
I have a god spot.
Come tag me, please.
Are you ready?
Sacrifice me.
Okay, guys, I'm going AFK, so don't tag me.
Guys, who wants to do a FNAF roleplay? I'm doing it.
Are you ready?
Okay, then come to the computer.
Oh, are you ready?
Yeah, he's ready. But not yet, not yet.
He must be ready, cause he's not talking, so.
Come to the computer if you want to do a FNAF roleplay.
I'm not ready.
I will, but can we finish this round?
Bro, let's just play mini games, man. We're not doing that FNAF roleplay.
I know he is.
We're not.
Yeah, he is ready, guys.
I'm not ready.
Hurry up.
Go back to forest, or I'm tagging you.
Don't tag me, don't tag me.
Go. People these
You're
days.
the man, guys. Bro, just
Go to treehouse.
oh my,
No.
I'm tagging you.
I'm going. No, I'm going. I'm going.
do it.
Go to treehouse, or I'm tagging you.
Go, don't tag me. Go.
Hi, bro, my head's about to die, bro. Come on.
No. Hog. Don't.
Just charge your headset while I go hide.
No, I don't do that. I can't do that.
Wait, your headset's low? Yeah, it's at like 10%, but it's okay. No. Are you ready yet, bro?
No.
I bet I'm the only one subscribed to you that's in this lobby. Oh, we don't care. I'm looking for you anyways.
Ready?
He's ready. He's in beach. What? No. That's not fair. We hear you. Oh, I thought you were a lava monkey. Ghost and Graveyard. Ghost and Graveyard. I'm dead. I don't know how to run.
There's White.
I don't know. But I'm not. I know where he is, but I'm not telling you since you tagged me.
Bro has wall hacks.
Yes, I do. Indeed.
Everybody report him. He has wall hacks. Bro, we're in a private. It doesn't matter.
I actually have a legal mods. Totally.
Bro, we're in a private. It's okay.
Don't you dare.
I'm outside of treehouse.
No, did I miss?
Pull me up.
Tag.
Let me up. No. I don't approve.
He went out. I can tag.
I already ended the video, guys. Oh God.
I'm going. Bye. Should I friend
Go
you?
to treehouse if you want to do anything. If you want to make like an outro, whatever you want.
Oh wait.
Can you make a shout out to me on my Roblox account? Or no, not Roblox.
Wait,
This shit is over. Anyways,
No, bro, no, I can't.
well, that's it for this video. Goodbye. Hope you enjoyed it. Please hit that like button
Wait, go to
and
City,
subscribe.
go to
Turn
City,
on
we're
all
gonna make the
post
outro today.
notifications.
We're gonna make the outro today.
Goodbye.
Oh wait, but go to Mirror to make the outro. Go to Mirror.
Woohoo! Now I started. Let's go.
You follow me. You follow me. He's in canyons. So I'm going canyons.
You can't look. What part of no look can't you? Don't you get? You saw us go into canyons.
Yeah, there's a whole door.
You can't tree camp. Go back in treehouse, or I can tag you. Follow me.
Hey, you can't tag me. You can't tag me. You can't tag me.
Wait.
If you're up here again.
No.
Yeah, he went out treehouse. We can tag you when you go out treehouse.
Wait, so you
Follow me.
recorded already?
No, hold on. I
Record
need
already?
somebody.
Yeah, don't tag me.
Okay, guys, I have to make a part 2, so I'll be right back. Okay, that's
Get in the treehouse.
that's part 1.
Can't tag us. We're in gazebo.
Get back in.
Gazebo's a safe
Get
zone.
back in.
Gaze-
Get back in.
gazebo's a
Get
safe
back
zone.
in. Get back in.
Wait,
Run,
plant
run, run.
crap out here.
Gazebo's a safe zone.
You gotta say,
Guys, come in.
stay in the middle.
I'm in.
Should I said no?
You can make like a little like mini intro.
Just like how gaslighting isn't real.
Follow
I'm
me.
gonna do a jump scare. I'm gonna do a jump scare.
Hey,
So
connect
tell me
okay.
when you're recording.
Nah, I
me
got
when
the,
you're
I got
recording.
no, wait,
Everybody
wait,
move.
wait, wait,
Everybody
wait,
hold
wait,
on.
wait, wait.
Are you recording?
No, not right now. Run.
No, that's a bad spot. Right here.
Yeah, follow me, follow me.
No, right here, right here.
Tell him later in the video, but you gotta move so I feel like it's really pokey. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Ready?
No, I didn't do it. 3.
Wait, but
Two,
look out of
one.
my house.
We're ready.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Pause TVR and subscribe and like and turn on all notifications to make sure you have another
Down here.
another video. No, don't punch me.
Come on, it's part 2. We gotta go. Come on.
I was supposed to say that.
Guys, it's part 2.
I am very
Part 2 of the video that I just made, but I gotta wait till I can.
Yes.
I honestly don't know
By
what
the time you're watching this video,
Go,
guys,
okay, right.
part 1 is posted. So yeah.
I'm guessing he's ready, right?
Guys, he's not ready.
Is he ready?
You just said that.
No, he ain't. Marble Monkey, you ready?
And if we see you and we don't say it goes in the graveyard, you can't tag us.
Marble.
And then me check
Hi.
the basements.
I'm gonna say, go to the graveyard! Shit!
Dang, bro. Hey, you can't say those words, bro. I'm gonna get demonetized, bro. I'm not gonna make any money.
Yeah.
Saying shit won't get you demonetized.
Yes, you can.
Yeah, well.
It's the actual swear words.
Word. It's an word.
It's the actual ones that can get you
We say
demonetized, except
words,
shit.
not words.
I'm
We don't
gay.
say words. We say words, not words.
Okay, one more round and I have part 2.
Did you really?
I don't get that much space.
Woohoo! I'm it. I hate this game.
And yeah, guys.
Wait, Paul,
This
the
shit
12v1.
is over.
Paul, the
Anyways,
12v1.
No, bro, no, I can't.
well, that's it for this video. Goodbye. Hope you enjoyed it. Please hit that like button
Wait, go to
and
City,
subscribe.
go to
Turn
City.
on
We're
all
gonna make
post
the outro day. We're
notifications.
gonna make the outro day.
Goodbye.